Oh, hi. Hello. Oh, hi. What's up? It's Skippy. Hi. I just got back from the VA hospital. Yay. And I got a cold burger from Jack in the Box. It's been sitting here for about a day now. Ooh, napkins. Never know when you're going to need those. But I got a cheeseburger. I also got like 100 sauces. I wanted to see. Yeah, maybe we'll just do a sauce palette. We'll see what kind of sauces we got, and then we'll just take it from there. We got, ooh, famous buttermilk ranch sauce. Ooh. And we got, ooh, bacony buttermilk ranch sauce. Ooh. Then we got good sauce. And then we got barbecue sauce. And then we got secret sauce. All right, so we are going to run the sauce gauntlet on this here little burger. We're about to do the sauce gangbang. We're about to do the sauce bukkake. Oh, you wonder why I know so much about porn. Well, I worked in the porn industry, and let me tell you something. It smells awful. All right, Louis C.K. was not lying about that shit. He had a joke about that, so he ain't lying. It smells like. I'm about to eat. I'll save the stories for later. This is the secret sauce. The shit. Oh dear. Secret sauce. All right, we just secret sauced it the fuck up. I guess it's like a wannabe In-N-Out secret sauce. It tastes like reconstituted onions. Yeah, that's different. Now let's go for the good. Because it can't be as bad as the secret sauce. Down the burger, goddammit. There we go, some good. I've been hearing good things about you. Alright, good, here we go. It's got a smoky flavor like a chipotle that I'm not really a fan of. Who knows? It might be someone else's favorite. This is the bacony ranch. Bacony ranch. It sounds so sophisticated. Bacony ranch. You got a little dabble, do you? Bacony ranch. The bacon tastes like imitation bacon bits, but why wouldn't it? I don't think you can put real bacon in there. But here we go. We're going to sauce palette this mother effer. We're going to take the secret sauce and the bacony ranch. I don't know if you can see, but get the fork out of here. But what I've done is I've taken the... If I lift it, it's going to smear. Now, pull back some. Yeah, that'll work. There you go. I got a dot of the secret sauce and a little bit of the bacony ranch. And we're going to pull those two together. Makes a nice, like a sunset color. That's kind of bacony and kind of oniony. That works well together. That is the bacony ranch and the secret sauce together. All right. Barbecue. I'm going to throw a pinch of that into the combo mix. The sauce. That's really sweet. It's almost like a jelly. Like a barbecue jelly. That's crazy. All right, we're going to mix that together on our sauce palette. All right, that's the barbecue bacony ranch secret sauce. That's good. Good. Yeah. Make it happen, Captain. We're having a sauce three-way. And it's gonna get tasty. There we go. That sauce the F up. That's good. That's good. That's good. You know what? I think I'm going to mix all these together. Put it in a bottle. And just for the heck of it, I'll call it pink sauce. What bad could happen? But yeah, the flavors kind of smear together, but it's good. Yeah, a little bit of bacon, a lot of barbecue, onion, but still, that burger was a day old. Day old. Day old. It becomes poop and comes out to my bum. That was delicious. All right. That was tasty. I like doing that. I like creating sauce palettes. As you figure, you know, if you do art, you have a palette, mix your colors. Do the same thing with food, mix your flavors. Might come up with something delicious like I did today. I say play with your food. It's tasty. All right. That was fantastic. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. My name is skippysimon. You're awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.